Come test drive the 2009 Shelby GT500. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.4-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, fog lights, inside you'll find cruise control, multifunctional information center, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, boost gauge, trip odometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.